In an industry where compact SUVs are more popular than ever, the all-new Kia Sportage is redefining its place in the market with confidence and style, packing upgraded capabilities, a dynamic new look, and a redesigned interior. Built right here in the US for the first time, Sportage is available in 7 trims, including the sleek X-Line and rugged X Pro models. As part of Kia's ambitious Plan S initiative, for the first time, hybrid functionality has also been introduced with the HEV and PHEV models. With its enhanced drive mode system, bold exterior design, and best-in-class cargo volume, the Sportage is inspired by Kia's design philosophy of opposites united, taking clean, muscular surfaces and contrasting them with edgy lines and aggressive graphics. Up front, the Sportage immediately makes an impression. The new Kia badge sits right above Kia's signature Tiger Nose grille, which is flanked by standard LED headlamps and boomerang-shaped DRLs. Along the side of the vehicle, crisp feature lines cut across the refined body surface, creating tension and presence. At the D-pillar, opposites united comes through in this eye-catching deconstructed effect. The rear of the vehicle is defined by powerful, broad shoulders that suggest stability and give it a planted disposition. Sharp-looking rear lamps are connected by a slim horizontal graphic, emphasizing stability and a wide stance. A large black lower graphic connects the rear design elements and flares up around the lower portion of the liftgate. This visibly shrinks the rear while creating a sharp-edged profile. The interior of the Sportage was crafted to contrast boldness and softness, while also providing a sense of connectivity. The cockpit wraps slightly around the front seat, engaging the driver and presenting the integrated touchscreen and center console with convenience and ease. A new curved display is available, providing a driver-oriented 12-inch digital cluster that connects seamlessly to a 12-inch infotainment screen. On the cluster, a variety of looks are available to customize your experience. On the infotainment screen, Kia Connect introduces a world of connectivity. This includes a Wi-Fi hotspot, phone connectivity through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, over-the-air updates from Maps, and a new stolen vehicle recovery system with immobilization. Below the infotainment screen, there's a new touchscreen control panel that switches between functions for controlling temperature and audio. And if you prefer an analog approach to interior control, traditional knobs are also available. Even the cup holders have been utilized to their maximum potential, switching size and shape to meet your needs on every journey. The animal-free leather seats are set wide for comfort, but also provide a sporty hugging effect when you're in them, while the stitching and detailed patterns create a sense of refinement. The Sportage started out as one of the smallest vehicles in the compact SUV segment, and has grown with each generation into one of the largest vehicles in its class. It's more than 7 inches longer than the previous model, with a wheelbase that's over 3 inches longer. The ground clearance of the Sportage is 2 inches taller, raising the vehicle up to a total of 8.3 inches. Sportage now has 29% more cargo space, bringing the total space up to 39.6 cubic feet. And that's best in class. And that's not the only interior size upgrade. Rear seat legroom has been expanded to 41.3 inches. That's another best-in-class attribute passengers will appreciate on long drives. When it comes to capability under the hood, the all-new Sportage can conquer the journey no matter where it leads you. It has a new 2.5-liter normally aspirated engine and 8-speed automatic transmission, reaching 187 horsepower and an EPA-rated 28 miles per gallon combined. That's 2 miles per gallon more than the outgoing model, while also carrying the power of 6 more horses. The Sportage Turbo Hybrid, available in 3 different trims, packs a 1.6-liter turbocharged engine and 44-kilowatt electric motor, delivering 227 horsepower, providing increased efficiency without sacrificing powerful performance. The Sportage has always been crafted with off-roading capability in mind. It completed the Paris-Dakar Rally in 1993, just a few months after it was first launched. The Sportage X Pro model carries on that legacy, taking Sportage's capability even further by partnering with a brand known in the off-roading community. All Sportage X Pro models are equipped with BF Goodrich all-terrain tires, a first for Kia. With a built-in enhanced drive mode system, it's been tuned specifically for Sportage X Pro for less slip and maximum traction. giving you the confidence and capability to overcome nature's versatile challenges. When it comes to technology, the Sportage has no shortage of standard ADAS features to keep you safe and make your drive experience easier. You'll get lane following and lane keeping assist, rear cross-traffic collision avoidance assist, and forward collision avoidance, helping keep you safe from collisions with vehicles, pedestrians, and even cyclists. Many other ADAS technologies are offered as optional features, such as navigation-based smart cruise control, blind spot collision avoidance assist that activates automatically whenever you use your turn signal, blind view monitor on the cluster, allowing you to keep your eyes forward when switching lanes. The Sportage can even help you brake in the case of an impending accident. Intuitive parking upgrades have also been integrated into the vehicle. There's a 360-degree surround view monitor, as well as remote smart parking assist, giving you the option to step outside and let your Sportage do the work in those tight spaces. That's the all-new Kia Sportage, a bold new design that stands out in a crowded segment and redefines its role in the Kia SUV lineup. A well-appointed interior that makes a powerful first impression, and thoughtful features and technologies aimed at making your urban and outdoor adventures easier and more enjoyable. The all-new Kia Sportage and Sportage Turbo Hybrid are changing the standard of what a crossover SUV can be and are on sale now. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your drive.